Viewing your payment history on Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction details. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment history. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity tab. Tap on the Activity tab, which is usually represented by a clock icon. This section contains all your transactions, including payments sent and received. Step 3. Review your transactions. Scroll through the list of transactions displayed. You can see details such as the date, amount, and recipient of each payment. Step 4. Filter transactions if needed. If you want to find a specific transaction, use the search feature or filter options available in the Activity tab to narrow down your results. Step 5. Export or save your history. If you need to keep a record of your payment history, consider taking screenshots or using any available export options to save the information for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your payment history on Cash App.